We thank our chief guest, dear father, for hoisting the flag for us. Immediately, we are going to proceed for the march past display. May I request our principal, our parish priest to come in front, our chief guest, as our students are going to march the beautiful march past. Papanalhi sarpo la lama kang tulpi apor alang lipan ninga krong pen churolo non ke ning karong isi victory to a symbol ning kaching sampen la students atum kachisik tang march past into non thekpon longpo. So I request the commander to give the command for the march past display. This beautiful march past is led by the school leader, the commander himself, and the vice president, the tennis followed by the yellow house. Energetic students. These are the practice stars for this is the blue house, followed by led by Bolonki. The flag holder is this is the greenhouse. Committee and student staff. Thank the guests of the day for taking extra effort in giving beautiful salute to our dear students as they come for the march past. The beautiful march past has come to an end. Soon after this, we are proceeding straight for the cultural items, starting with the prayer service. So the students will now disperse and they will get ready for the different items that they have been preparing for to display for this wonderful and beautiful day. As we are proceeding for the